Hi and welcome to Bonita's Kitchen, and thank you for joining us. Today I'm excited to bring to you this recipe called almost mashed potatoes. So if this recipe interests you and you'd like to know what it is, stick around and let's get started. This recipe, but it is a delicious taste and it's a spin on using cauliflower instead of potatoes. So I got a few of those simple ingredients here. I'll show you as we go, and let's get started on cutting up our cauliflower. First, all you need to do is rinse your cauliflower. Now next we're going to be cutting this cauliflower up into pieces. So once you got it cut in half, you can just break away the little pieces like this. If it's big, you cut it in half. I got myself here a microwave safe pudding pan. You don't need a pudding pan, but a microwave safe bowl. When you get that done, put the little pieces into the bowl, because we're going to be microwaving this, but you can also steam it or boil it. So now this recipe is for a full cauliflower, medium cauliflower, or 6 cups. But for me here today, I'm only going to be using 3 cups and a half of cauliflower, because it's just me and Raymond, of course. So that means I'm only going to be using half of the ingredients, which I will share the full amount with you. So now I'm going to cover this and put it in the microwave and get this steaming. I'm just going to put a microwave safe lid on there. I'm going to pop it in here between 5 and 8 minutes to soften up the cauliflower. So now,
don't burn your fingers.
it's pretty odd. So 5 to 8 minutes or longer if needed, fork tender. Then once you take it out of the microwave, if this is the way you choose to cook it, and I'm getting exfoliated, drain off the liquid, the water that's in there. You don't need it. As you can see, fork tender. And handle it with care, because coming out of the microwave is going to be very hot. So I only got a small food processor. If you got a big blender, big food processor, that's wonderful. Put these little cauliflower pieces in there, and we gotta blend it down until it's nice and smooth. So I'm gonna pop this much in there first and blend it. So pretty much that's it there. I mean, it's going to look different than that, of course, but I'm going to try to get the rest of these little cauliflower pieces all blended, and then I'll show you the other ingredients. All right, so now this is what they look like. I'm going to be putting in there 2 large pieces of garlic. I got it cut in quarters here now. And I got a half a teaspoonful of salt, pepper, and onion powder. I'm going to toss that into my mixer. Now I'm going to mix that in through there until it's all combined. Now I'm going to toss in there half a block of cream cheese, and it's 2.5 grams, and I'm going to put that on there, and a half a block, of course, is 1.2. 1.2, okay. And you can see it all creaming together there. Absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to show you that. Now the big reveal. Just look at this creamy, almost mashed potatoes. I'll pass this one to Raymond, because he'll be our taste tester on this one.
You better believe it.
And what I'm going to do now is scoop this into a bowl, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. What do you think, God. Raymond?
I got to admit.
Good?
Too good for the tummy.
Oh yeah, he likes his job. He's not going to give up.
You better believe it.
And what's so lovely about this, you can rewarm this, you know, after mixing it all together. If you want to make this a little bit in advance, because you got your family coming and you want for it to be piping hot. serve it piping hot. So, and if you don't have a mixer like this, probably you got a blender that you could use. It just creams it up nice, that it looks like almost mashed potatoes.
It looks almost.
Right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put this into there, and then I'm going to show you what else I'm going to do to fancy this up. See, your husbands or your wives, you almost got to trick them like you would your kids, because they don't like something or they tell you they don't like it. You can always tell them different. You know, with this here, almost mashed potato, Raymond always thought that he had mashed potato, and here I was giving him mashed cauliflower. Some green onions or chives, sprinkle it with a little bit of Parmesan, and boom. This is it, as good as it gets.
2 thumbs up.
So I hope these almost mashed potatoes excite you today. And not only that, you may have made it many times before, and again, made it and your family didn't know you were giving them cauliflower instead of potato. Spoiler alert, I just told my secret. We love potatoes, by the way, so a good farming girl. I'm going to have a little taste, and again, you could put gravy over this. Slobber it with gravy, have it with a nice big old roast, whatever you want. Rewarm it, put it in your fridge, have it as leftovers.
Almost mashed potato, slobbered with gravy, and almost roast. Leave it to me.
Drop the fork and plate, delicious Raymond. Almost anything, you got to try this. This is a great way to start the new year. A great way to introduce your family into something new, something delicious.
Healthy.
Healthy. And you can put in there what you enjoy having as well. You can eliminate the salt to make it kidney friendly or heart friendly. Whatever way you want to do it. Boom. 2 thumbs up. And I can't wait for you to make it. I got to finish my potatoes there, scoop up some more. I can just have this on its own. Recipe is going to be posted below this video, and we will also share it with you on our website, www.BONITA'Skitchen.com, on our Facebook page, up and coming recipes there as well, and this one, and here on YouTube. So before we go, because I'll always tell you I don't want to take any more of your time, and those pressures, and you may have left already and came back on again. I don't know. But whatever way, it doesn't matter, because this recipe is here for you whenever you need it. We'd like to do a big shout out to our paid members. Thank you so much for supporting Bonita's Kitchen, and I hope you're enjoying your early viewing of our recipes. To all of our subscribers, bless you, thank you again for subscribing, and we welcome new ones. Welcome to Bonita's Kitchen. So again, we're not going to take any more of your time, we know it's precious. So on behalf of myself,
And me, of course.
Raymond, and our team, and from our kitchen to yours,
You have
a
wonderful day.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Join us by the sea. A journey in culinary. Always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours.